Hello, fellow humans. I'm going to show you guys how to use EasyBib.com so you can cite your websites and other information and research you gathered correctly. So first, you're going to want to click on a new tab, and you are going to type in EasyBib.com. Once you go to EasyBib.com, there's a sign-up feature. You're going to want to do that so you can save your bibliography. If you click Sign Up and then Sign In with Google, and put in your Google account. I've already done this, so instead of having to type in my information, it just logged me in. But once you type in your information, then you can create a list. So how to do that, you click New Project. You put your project name in, so you can name it whatever you want to save it as. Your subject is History. Scroll down there. And then you want to leave your MLA 8 as your default style. Then hit Create. Once you've done that, it'll have it right down here, like barbed wire replacement is what my bibliography is called. So you can click on that to create it. For source type right here, it has a bunch of different sources, so website, book, journal, along with a bunch of other different types. Most of yours are probably going to be websites if you did your research on the internet. But if you got any other types, obviously you need to pick the correct source as well. Once you've done that, then you get your website that you used. So for example, I got this barbed wire article that was written on Texas State Historical Association's website, and you are able to copy the URL up here by clicking on it, hitting Command C, going back to EasyBib, clicking on this box right here and hit Command V. It then puts the website there. You hit Cite. Once you do that, it starts to load. It shows you the name of the article and who wrote it. You hit Cite again, and it starts to check it. If it has these check marks next to URL, website title, article title, date accessed, and date published, then that is all correct, and you hit Continue. If it doesn't have those, you're going to have to make sure you copied the right address. So if it has a star next to any of the information down here, that means it's missing something. And so if you go back up here, it's Francis T. McClellan is who wrote this. And so you go back over here, so it has Francis, and then it has T as the last name. So that is actually his middle initial. And then McClellan. I want to make sure you spell that correctly. And then Owens is the first name of, the last name of this next guy. So it's James Mulkey Owens. And then you can delete this last person because it had it incorrectly done. So once you've corrected it and made sure it looks the way it's supposed to, you hit Complete Citation. It'll create it for you. You then have your complete citation right here. If you have other websites you need to create, you can continue to do it, or any other type of source. But once you have this citation right here, you copy it by highlighting it and then hit Command C. You then go to your Google Doc where you're going to put your bibliography and hit Command V, and it has it all right there. Underneath of that, you need to have a summary of whatever this article, whatever the website is. If you didn't use all of it, then you don't need to have a summary over the entire article, just the bit of information that you did. So less than a paragraph, more than a sentence is typically a good starting point for your summary. Thank you.